Hey guys, what's up? This is What the Tech, and Apple is the gift that keeps on leaking. We have another leak for you. This one's pretty exciting too. It's going to be one of the few products that Apple actually redesigns. Let's go check it out. Alrighty then, so this photo is courtesy of 9to5Mac, as you can tell from the watermark. It looks like this is the Apple Watch that Apple should have put on the market at day one. You can see that the photo is a simple up-close shot of a super complicated watch face. And would you look at that? It finally stretches across the entire OLED display. So it looks like this is the next product that's going to be getting Apple's bezel trimming treatment, and hopefully maybe next is the MacBook. And I don't know if you guys noticed this, or maybe Apple doesn't want you to notice this, but look at the digital crown. Yeah, the digital crown isn't an entire red circle anymore, but instead it's a nice golden stainless steel finish with a red ring inside. Looks really dapper AF. And also, this might be because it's just a high definition advertisement shot, but doesn't this new Series 4 looks kind of slimmer to you? I don't know, maybe it's just me, or the shadowing and contour secrets that celebrities use. But if you look at the Series 3 and Series 4 side by side, it looks a little slimmer to me. That's just what I think. Of course, it could be the perfect angle where you don't see the heartbeat sensor behind it. That's probably it. Who knows, it might be thinner. And if we look closer towards the straps, it looks like all of their previous Apple straps are still compatible, which is a very good thing because I know people who have spent a lot of money on these things. Oh, and one last thing about the digital crown before we end things off. It looks like the invite photo, right? The little golden circle. Yeah, that might be it. Or just me stainless steel is coming towards Apple lineup again. But who knows? Well, thanks to this leak, we actually know pretty much every single thing that's going to be showed off at Apple's September 12th keynote, barring a couple software things. I don't know, man, it's kind of a bummer. I remember these keynotes used to be actual surprises. I mean, the Pixel 3 got leaked to high heaven. Pretty much Apple's entire press conference just got leaked. Is anything a surprise anymore? Well, that's enough of that. Thanks for watching What the Tech. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to see more future videos. See ya!